Hola, hola, hola. Ya hemos tenido una comida maravillosa en Inti Peruvian Restaurant en Los Poconos. Y ahora Julio Mereno nos llevó a tomar el postre. We're having dessert in llama ice cream. We're taking Chris Barrett from the Pocono Visitors Bureau. Chris, are you a virgin in llama ice cream?
I'm sure. Yes, I am. But boy, I'm warming up to it very quickly. It's awesome. Look at all the colors. Oh my gosh, the flavors I know are amazing.
Chris, wait until you try them. You will die, and no, you will come here. Come, sleep here. You have ice cream for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Exactly.
O sea, Julio, tell us about it. Take us around your ice cream, llama ice cream.
Yeah, we have here a homemade ice cream. We make the whole ice cream here artisanal.
With your hands?
With my hands and one machine. And we use many tropical flavors. We use many tropical flavors from my country.
Like this?
And yes, and from another Latin American country like Mexico, Colombia, Ecuador, Costa Rica. We have many flavors remind my country and remind my roots.
Okay,
and
tell us a story. I want to know, there's so many ice cream places, but yours is the best in the world. I have to tell you that. So tell us, how did you do that? How did you start a challenge of an ice cream? Ice cream is something like a car. It has 4 wheels, right? How many cars have 4 wheels? All of them, right?
Yeah. We try to fusion the good American ice cream with my flavors and the way we make in our country. And we have, of course, a traditional American flavor like cookies and cream, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate mint, everything made here.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Wow.
Yeah, we have bubblegum, banana, piña colada, Nutella. We have many classic and good flavors. But also we have the tropical, like mango. We have a passion fruit. We have a sour soap. We have figs and rum. We have many sorbet, no sugar. At ice cream, we have a vegan ice cream, and we have many.
Chris, do you know that Julio started this ice cream place, and then last year the New York Times discovered him here in the Poconos. They came to the Poconos.
So tell us about that, Julio. How did that happen with the New York Times? That's
great.
They
started looking for the unique ice cream in America, and they choose 6 ice cream shops in the whole USA.
No.
And they in Los Angeles, in Texas, and New York, and they choose us like another.
You have to tell me that story. Tell us that story. Come on, the secret that you were in your truck, delivering ice cream. And somebody calls you, and you're like, yeah, the New York Times, right? Yeah. Come on.
I don't believe they are New York Times, but when I see my face in the paper, it's like, oh my God, this is real.
That's awesome. Good for you.
And they bring a lot of business, of course, and more reputation.
Right.
We're working hard. We opened 2017. And we try to make our best, put a lot of heart and passion in our ice cream,
So I think that when Julio and I were talking before, the one thing that he said to me was, if you wanted to come in, there's great ice cream all around us in a lot of different places, but the uniqueness here of the flavoring that you would not find anywhere else. They're South American, like the fruits, right?
Yeah, fruit. I brought it from Peru or from Colombia, from Mexico direct. I make a unique kind of ice cream,
So, and that's not something you really find here in the United States.
No, really.
So if we want to get chocolate, if we want to get strawberry and vanilla, that's all great.
Yep.
But if you want that little taste of what South America, Latin America is really like, and you would get that here, and especially with the hot weather right now, and we all love ice cream.
Exactly. America is big ice cream lovers.
Yeah, we are. And this is a great place to come to taste something that you've never tasted before. This isn't like the 35 flavors that are just all flavors mixed together. These are flavors you've never had before, and you really, really have to try.
We have like 30 flavors available.
30?
Also, all the time. We do a special. Our special this week is Amarena Cherry. It's a cherry for Italy to make a special ice cream. And also, if you come to the shop, if many things around you can visit.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, yeah.
Amigos, we're here in Llama Ice Cream on River Road next to Inti Peruvian Restaurant in East Stroudsburg. This is amazing. The Poconos is not about nature, right? It's also about food.
It is, and there's a lot of great food experiences here that a lot of people really, wouldn't normally think of when they visit us in the Poconos. And there's a lot of folks here that have some really great ethnicity, and they've come from places and they've worked really hard to to bring a portion of where they came from here. And you could actually experience that once you come here, and it's really nice. Not only can you can hike, you can bike, you can do the river. And let me tell you, after you do this, you better be on the river doing something.
Yeah, there's a canoe place across the street, right?
Right, and it's Delaware Water Gap. So now one thing we want to ask you, and I know Julio and Christina won't mind if I say this, if you're coming to the Pocono Mountains and you're going to be on one of our rivers, whether it's the Delaware River or Lehigh, please be safe. Please do things that you have to do in order to be safe. In other words, like wear a life jacket, always go on the river with someone, never float on the river if you're impaired in any way, shape, or form. The river looks sedate and beautiful, but boy, the current runs underneath and you can lose control very quickly. So we want you to come here and enjoy these kind of things with Julio, with his restaurant, and have ice cream here, but please be safe. We just want to make sure that we say that. Unfortunately, like over the last couple of weeks, we've had a lot of people here and they've taken some risk. We don't want you to have to do that.
Exactly.
So, but, one of the great things that we're going to try here is I guess we're going to try some of this stuff soon
too, right? Yeah, I have a surprise for you. As always, I tell you, Chris, le digo a Chris, hay que probar las cosas, hay que poner las manos en la masa. We have to put your hands on the mask, right? So, are you ready to play?
La masca.
La mascarilla. Muy bien, la mascarilla. That's true. Mira. Okay, Chris, I'm going to blindfold you with your mask. Can you blindfold yourself with something? Do we have something to blindfold?
Well, there's la masca.
La mascarilla. La mascarilla. And we're going to try different ice creams. Chris va a probar y vamos a jugar a adivina de dónde son esos sabores. Let's see if he finds out what they are. Good.
You can give him.
He can tell you. Okay. I'll give you some. He can tell you what he feels like it, and Julio will
Start
say.
with this one. He definitely can.
This one you can relate to.
Yeah, it's definitely.
La masca.
¿Una servilleta, por favor? Here.
Oh, I got it.
Get it.
Oh my God, that's good.
No, oh my God, it's not a flavor. Dice, Dios mío, qué rico. Es una...
Chocolate chip? No.
Yeah.
Is it? They gave me an easy one. Oh, thanks. They gave me.
You know why, guys? If you come here, you can flavor different tastes to see which one is your favorite, ¿verdad, Julio?
Yeah, this one.
They gave me an easy one the first time, I think.
Yeah.
And also, ¿qué pasa si eres diabético? What happens if you're diabetic, Julio?
We have no sugar add. We use stevia for make the ice cream, sugar-free.
Oh my God, that's good.
What's that?
Lavender.
Oh, that's lavender. You told me about that.
Oh, lavender. How can you make lavender ice cream?
We use a special flavor to make it.
And no artificial ingredients here?
Everything is fruit and milk. Yes.
So you can have your fruits by eating ice cream here?
Yeah.
Your fruit serving? Okay, ¿y ahora cuál?
This one, the orange one. This is
Peruvian. Whoa, a Peruvian flavor now here.
I tried to memorize these, but I couldn't.
It's the goal of the Incas fruit.
Mango.
No.
Darn it.
Lucuma. How could you know that,
It's
right?
a Peruvian.
That's really
What is the
good.
flavor? What flavor is lucuma?
It tastes like caramel a
Say
little
people
bit.
caramel, butterscotch, or
Man, that
coffee.
is really good. That's good.
I don't know what's this
Ahora
one.
que
Rose coconut, probably. I don't know.
No le digas.
I don't know
Try it.
because it's white.
White. This is a white one. Here.
Okay, I gotta make it. Okay. That tastes like it's coconut in it.
It's coconut.
Yeah, you got it. Coconut. And
Oh my gosh,
It feels
that's
like
good.
the coconuts fell from the tree right to your mouth there, right?
It
It's
did.
enough for now, Chris.
More? Are you ready to more?
One more.
One more.
We gotta do one more. Gotta do one more.
This one.
I think it's a tamarind.
Woo!
I'm hearing you guys talking, but I can't hear you. There's fruit in that one. Mango.
No.
Darn it.
You want that?
Tamarind.
Oh my gosh, that was good
Tamarind
too.
lucuma. What is that?
Woo. Oh my gosh, that was
Here.
good. Yummy. Oh my gosh, let me put this.
Yummy. So Kim had a little game. Hemos hecho un pequeño juego. How do you feel about that?
Oh my God, they were
flavor, the
really
taste.
good.
They are new flavor for you, probably for your taste. Yeah.
You know, the one that tasted like caramel, what was that?
Lucuma, this one.
Man,
orange,
that is
yes.
amazing. They're all good, but that lavender was good and that one was
You're
good.
going to devour that one, right? When we
Yes,
finish?
absolutely. Absolutely.
Julio, I want to know something. What is the secret? Come on, tell us. Of the best ice cream, for great ice cream.
It's one secret only. love.
Love. Love and good ingredients, right?
That's it.
Amigos, estamos
Passion and
aquí con Pocono Mountains, visit us for Rome, visit los Poconos, come to our Poconos. Hemos estado aquí en River Road comiendo en el restaurante peruano Inti y ahora estamos aquí tomando el postre en la ice cream. Guys, after all this meal and these ice creams, I'm going to eat them. What are we going to do?
Now,
Canoeing?
Well, we could do
Hiking.
canoeing, we could hike, we could bike, we could do a lot of different things. I mean, the Pocono Mountains, there's 2,400 square miles of local, state, federal
Great.
parks. In Delaware Water Gap, we're very close to that right now. Meninsik is very close. So all kind of great things to do. Make sure you go on our website at poconomountains.com. Again, please be safe. Go on the federal parks website or ours and you'll get everything that you need there.
And one more thing I want to add. Let's ask Julio, what is his favorite thing of the Poconos?
Oh, yeah.
And what does the Poconos remind him of his country?
Oh,
Peru?
mountains, you know. Mountains are in Peru, mountains are in Poconos. I am ocean guy, you know, but the river is really nice. I love the river and the nature. It's green, everything is green, and I love it.
Everything is super green.
Yes, I love the
We love the Poconos.
Yes.
Amamos los Poconos. Vengan a visitarnos.
Good. Well, we're going to be back a lot. So Christina is going to be with us. Some of on our Facebook lives. I know we're on yours now, right? Correct?
Yeah.
So,
Hola, Christina Luna. Like our pages. Comment. Want to know what you want to know. What you want to hear. What flavors you want. What about bacon flavor?
Let me try one day.
Well, I think you heard it here. So thank you guys so much for being with us. And thanks to Julio. He
Thank you,
hosted
guys.
us today.
Thank you so
Thanks to Christina. To our Latino friends. We hope to see you right here in the Pocono Mountains.
much.